What if I told you that a single static image can be transformed into a professional video ad in just a few seconds with a realistic motion, smooth animation, and a format ready for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube? And the best part? You don't need to be a professional designer, video editor, or animator. This isn't just a visual trick. AI video models can analyze the elements inside an image, such as shapes, colors, composition, depth, and visual relationships, and use that information to generate motion that makes the image feel like it was originally designed as a video. Even better, you can do this using completely free AI tools. Imagine having a product photo, promotional flyer, or social media design. Instead of posting it as a simple static image, you can turn it into an engaging video, add cinematic movement and suitable audio, and use it as an advertisement, reel, short, or social media post, all in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform static images into professional videos using AI tools, step by step. We'll test different images, including simple designs and more complex compositions, and we'll see just how far these AI tools can go when it comes to creating professional video content. And of course, I'll leave the tools, links, and prompts I use below the video, so you can follow along and try everything yourself. So whether you're a content creator, business owner, marketer, designer, or simply someone who wants to create professional content faster, stay until the end, because some of the results might genuinely surprise you. So to avoid making the explanation too long, we'll go to this well-known website, Pinterest, to find images or flyers that we can turn into videos. I'll go over to this search bar and look for an attractive flyer. For example, this image looks really nice. I'll copy it like this. Then I'll go back to Google Flow, which is also very well known, as you can see. After signing up for Google Flow using your email address, we'll click on Create New Project. Then we'll paste the image we copied earlier. Next, we'll go to this prompt. I'll leave it for you below the video. I'll copy it like this, then I'll return to Google Flow and paste the prompt into the designated field, as you can see here. Then I'll select Video. Make sure you don't select Image. Choose Video here. After that, select the appropriate aspect ratio. I'll choose the vertical format. Then make sure you have selected Omni Flash. Finally, choose the number of images or generations you want, click this arrow, and wait for the result. And there we have it. So while we wait for our video to be generated, let's go back to Pinterest to save some time and search for another image to create another video. For example, I'll look for an image that is different from the one we created earlier. I'll search here and I'll click on this image because I really like it. It has lots of beautiful colors. I'll copy it in the same way, then I'll go back to Google Flow. But first, look at the result we got from the previous video. As you can see, the result we got is extremely professional. Look at the color harmony, the consistency of the images, and the overall design. Everything looks very polished, including the background sound and all the other elements involved in creating a short video that you can publish on social media professionally without having to hire a designer or use anything complicated. And all of this can be done in just a few seconds. We have just created a professional video, right? I'll download it like this, then we'll go back to Google Flow again and upload the image we copied earlier, following the same steps. I'll leave all the links to these tools and websites below the video. As I mentioned, I'll copy the prompt here and leave the dimensions as they are, or you can change the aspect ratio according to your needs. Then I'll click this arrow and wait for the final result. Now let's go back to Pinterest and choose another image. For example, I'll choose this image because I like it as well, especially because it features a soft drink. I'll copy the image using the same steps, then I'll go to this website, or tool. It's also an excellent tool and it gives you free credits every day. What's even better is that it provides access to the Cdance 2 model. I'll also leave this website for you in the description below the video. And this is a video I created using this website. As you can see, this is the result I got from it. We'll follow the same steps as before and wait for our video to be generated. As I told you, I copied the prompt and followed the same steps. Then I'll select Video. After that, you can choose the duration or the model you want to use. There is Dance 2, and for the duration, I'll set it to 10 seconds. Then I'll click this arrow and wait for the final result.
Now, we'll go back to Flow to see the result we requested earlier. Oh, look at the quality of this video and the way the image and movement work together. This is an amazing and highly professional video by every standard. It looks really impressive and polished. Following the same steps, I'll download it here by clicking Download. Then I'll copy the image again and return to the other website to see whether we have received a result there as well. I'll refresh it here, and there it is. The image has been transformed into the video we requested. Using the exact same steps, it also gives you an excellent and impressive result, because quite simply it uses the Dance model, which is already very well known. As you can see, the website also gave us its own result. It is very professional as well. Just look at the color harmony and the movement. The only thing this website is missing is the sound or background audio that matches the video. However, Google Flow remains the best model so far for producing this type of video. I'll copy the prompt again like this, then return to Pinterest to choose another image that is somewhat different. For example, I'll search for something related to summer. I might look for something like this or anything connected to the summer season, so we can find some summer-themed flyers or images.
I'll look for an image that is somewhat complex or contains multiple combined elements, just to see whether Google Flow can create smooth movement and produce a professional video from it. Let's put it to the test and see whether it succeeds. Maybe I'll choose this image, or perhaps this one. For example, I'll click on this one, or I might search for an image with attractive and beautiful colors that is worth turning into a video using this method. After searching for an image that fits this type of video, I chose this one. Following the same steps, I'll copy it, then return to Google Flow and paste it. Next, I'll go to the magic prompt and copy it using the same steps to transform this image into a professional video. After uploading the image, as you can see, I'll leave the settings exactly as they are. Now, so we don't waste time waiting, I'll search for another image that contains several combined elements with different colors and compositions. I'll choose this image because it might be somewhat difficult to turn into a proper video. Starting with this image, I searched around and found this one. I think it could be somewhat challenging to create a video from it. I'll copy it using the same steps and return to Google Flow. But before that, let's first look at the result we created using Google Flow. Everything is extremely professional. The results are excellent and the video is exactly 10 seconds long, just as we requested. I'll download it using the same steps. Then I'll upload the image we extracted earlier and repeat the same process. Copy the prompt and paste it here. After uploading the image, all the settings are already suitable, so I won't change anything. I'll click this arrow and wait for the final result. You can also choose a specific size. For example, I'll select the square format because this type of format works well for Facebook. Then I'll click this arrow and wait for the final result. And finally, here is the result we got. As I told you, this is a relatively complex composition, but Google Flow successfully transformed it into a flyer-style video, or a reel. You can use it on Facebook as an advertisement or for virtually any other purpose. And using the same steps, we'll download it like this. And as you can see, we didn't need complicated editing software or hours of manual work to transform these static images into professional videos that can be used for advertisements and social media content. With just a few simple steps, a good image, and the right prompt, AI can handle a huge part of the creative process for you. Now I want to hear from you. Which result did you like the most? And do you think AI tools like these will completely change the way we create advertisements and social media content in the future? If you found this video useful, share it with someone who could benefit from it. You might be showing them a technique they've been looking for to create better content in much less time. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos about AI tools, content creation, and new ways to work smarter. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful AI tool that could completely change the way you create content.